Hey, Glenn Graham at Rastrac. We're going to talk a little bit today about looking at routes and how we can figure out what our guys have been doing for the last few hours. Okay, we'll click on the demo features site on rastrac.com like we have in the past, load up some vehicles here, and then what I want to immediately do is we're going to go right click over here. We're going to go look at what this guy's been doing today. As you can see a track, and it's a 24-hour, one-day period here. But you'll also notice there's little gray lines in here. These are actually kind of the interest of what you might want to look at, because this is actually showing some movement. But before we do that, let's just go up here and let's move this out so we can see the whole track. And I'm just going to watch this guy. We're going to hit the little time track here, and we can see him going. Now watch it when it hits these little lines of interest down here. Just when you see people moving around, and you notice he's moving a lot, and we got down there and he stopped for a little bit, he moved around. Now he's going to go back up, and notice there's a blank area here, so he evidently stops for a little bit there, and he gets over and parks for a little bit, and then there's a few hours here where he does nothing. Then all of a sudden he starts to move out again, and we get more information about him moving around. So these areas right here, these gray areas, actually show you what he's doing. So we can, if we want to focus in, we could come down and look at some of those. So let's do that. Let's focus in on a little area here. I'm going to focus in on this last little peek through here. Now see, this is one little movement. So we're going to watch this one little movement, and we can see him going through and going down. He's leaving the main location down here and moving down to this other location down here. And we can see his entire movement and what time he arrived at that new location. That's just a little intro as to how you can use this time, these states up here and this bar down here, to see your car moving through and check out what he's been doing.